Good morning, investors and traders. This is Ayman, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis in which we will be discussing Bitcoin and Ethereum, both of them making new highs for 2021. As for Bitcoin prices, of course, we have reached new all-time high, and Ethereum price has crossed above the 1100 price level for the first time, but now prices have retraced from those price levels. But let's have a bit of a more deeper price analysis for these particular assets and see where the opportunities are. As always, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer and risk warnings. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from our website, evertrade.com. Now, folks, as always, we will begin the analysis by looking at the daily chart. Now, on the daily chart, what we see is the two big spikes, two candles with a massive spike. So, firstly, it was a move as of yesterday, which happened right over here, which pushed the prices from 786 to pretty much all the way to a $1,000 or so. And then the second one is as of today, which pushed the prices well above the 1100 price level. We went very close to touch the all-time high. The prices made went all the way to 1148. But this particular price move, when the price did reach that 1148, this pump which really happened has completely faded, and now the prices are only marginally higher there as compared to the previous day, because obviously the price wasn't able to hold those massive gains that we are really talking about. Now, in terms of a price action, there is no doubt that the price is trading above all the important moving averages, meaning your 50-day, your 100-day, and of course your 200-day simple moving average. And in around December, the price did come back towards its 50-day simple moving average, which happened, by the way, after October 2020, because it was only in October 2020 before that the price did come and it kissed its 50-day simple moving average. But this particular price action where the price did kiss the 50-day simple moving average, which happened very much within the range of the previous support, because this was your previous support and the price did come into it. What happened afterwards was that the prices started to move rapidly higher. We had one rally and then small sort of a retracement, and then after that another massive rally that we have seen. Now, the fact that the prices have done all of these price actions that we have seen, now what we need to do is we need to be mindful of the next support zone where the prices can retrace, where the prices can come. And in my opinion, that particular price level in terms of a price action is where I have drawn. There are chances the price will not only retrace from here to here, because this move has already happened, but in fact the price may actually retrace all the way to here. And even if it does and it stays slightly above that, that would be very positive. Let's say that the price, what it does is that the price retrace and then it comes something like along these lines, and then it comes and then it just tested like that. So if the price forms like that, then the chances are that we are likely to see a massive move. And let's say that in terms of a movement, the price kind of starts to move back up from here, then that movement is really going to push the prices again back towards the 1100 price level. In fact, the price will be able to move well above that. In terms of RSI, there is no doubt that the price RSI is in way overbought territory. Clearly, the price needs retraction. You can see the evidence of this retracement. There we see evidence of these let's say this tricky price action on for smaller time frames such as 4 hour time frame, or on 30-minute time frame, where prices have already started to move lower from their overbought zone. So now the chances are that the price may come into this particular area right over here before it goes any further down, and then the momentum starts to build up from here, and it may push the prices back towards the overbought area. But of course, a better level in terms of RSI will be if our RSI comes near overbought zone, because that would be much better indication that yes, now the prices can really move higher from here. And in terms of a Bitcoin, let me just pull out the Bitcoin price action over here. There is no doubt the Bitcoin prices have been under pressure, because right over here, let me just draw that price level on the chart. Price formed the highest high yesterday, pretty much touched the 35,000 price level. But ever since, price has been trending lower. Price has been trading to the downside. Now, once again, the price levels, the way you wanted to maybe focus on, is right over here. So let's say that the price which is moving lower, it continues to move lower like that, and then we have another price action which goes like that, and then we have a price action which happens like this, and then price starts to consolidate from there onwards, and then perhaps another move to the downside, but then price makes this, and then it makes this, and then it continues to make those particular candles, then there is no doubt that the price will continue to move to the upside from there onwards. But for now, what we're really seeing is that yes, retracement is coming in terms of a Bitcoin price, and the immediate support zone in my eyes is going to be just right over here. And because this is where the prices are more likely to bounce, and then this is above the 50-day simple moving average as well. If price does continue to move lower, if the price does come in and reach this price level, that could be very positive, because that means on the 4 hour time frame, the RSI would continue to drop towards 30, and when it crosses near 30 or up, from 30 but even further below, then the chances are that we are likely to see a massive